Good afternoon, viewers. Regarding information, we are back on the sidelines of your activities. Together with us, I am Ulfa Nabila, and as presenter, who will provide the latest and most up-to-date news, October 5, 2024.
We will continue motorbike death.
This incident occurred in Dumai City, Riau Province on October 5, 2024 at 2:30 WIB. A perpetrator tried to take away a resident's motorbike which was parked in front of the house. Luckily, this action was immediately detected by the vehicle owner.
The motorcycle that operates on Jalan Punak creating a storm water incident. According to the motorbike owner, the incident occurred in the afternoon when a suspect tried to procure a motorbike that was parked in the yard, which was covered by a house fence. The attempted motorbike that occurred on Jalan Punak, Punama Subdistrict, was Dumai Subdistrict, Dumai Riau. This affirmative action was recorded on circuit television on CCTV camera on Saturday, October 2024 at around 2:30 WIB.
In the recording, the pickup truck carrying the perpetrator was seen stopping at the intersection of houses. It is suspected that the car was used to transport an automatic motorbike which was parked in front of the resident's house. The perpetrator gave up his intention to steal a motorbike driver after breaking into the motorbike lock. Just go straight to the team we were at the scene, including Siti Atikah Az-Zahra and Dea Azura Putri.
Baik, sekarang kita akan mewawancarai Ibu Nadra sebagai pemilik sepeda motor yang hampir dicuri motornya ya. Ibu izin bertanya, bagaimana peristiwa bisa terjadi, Bu?
Peristiwanya jadi itu pagarnya kebuka sedikit, ya, bisa dikatakan hari itu saya teledor sedikit ya. Jadi karena mengapa dibuka sedikit? Karena biasanya memang begitu, gitu kan, nggak pernah dikunci pagarnya. Jadi ibaratnya kalau tetangga masuk tuh enak aja, maksudnya bolehlah masuk atau apa. Jadi hari itu pun juga saya buru-buru mau pesta ulang tahun anak murid saya. Jadi kan mau berangkat lagi, ganti baju, sholat. Tapi ternyata kejadian begitu saya udah selesai pakai baju, saya mau berangkat, ternyata kunci saya udah nggak bisa masuk lagi.
Kapan peristiwa percobaan pencurian motor tersebut?
Peristiwanya itu tepatnya di bulan Oktober ya, pada tanggal 5 2024 pukul 2.30.
Siapa saksi pertama yang melihat peristiwa tersebut?
Saksi pertamanya tuh putra saya ya. Putra saya yang melihat ada orang yang masuk ke dalam halaman sana. Kalau tetangga pasti pakai salam dulu ya. Tapi kita belum curiga. Cuma kita ngapain Pak gitu. Jadi putra saya langsung mencoba, ngapain Pak gitu. Dan lantas dia menjawab, ada interaksinya. Dan kebetulan mobil saya juga nggak ada. Jadi sepertinya saya tuh lagi keluar, orang nggak ada di rumah gitu kan. Sementara motor ada di luar. Jadi mungkin niatnya itu karena sepertinya tuan rumah nggak ada, jadi dia ini kesempatan untuk ngambil motornya gitu kan. Sehingga nanya lah, Bapak ngapain? Ya, saya cari rumah ini loh, cari rumah ini gitu. Di saat cari rumah ini, bukan Pak, ini nggak rumah ini, rumah Bapak ini. Lantas seorang tersebut yang niat mau maling tersebut langsung pergi karena aksinya tidak berhasil.
Di mana kejadian pencurian terjadi?
Di rumah saya nih, di sini, itulah tepatnya di sinilah saya taruh motor. Karena tadi biasanya motor memang nggak taruh di sini, biasanya taruh di situ. Tapi karena saya mau pergi lagi, jadi taruhnya di sini.
Apa upaya yang dapat dilakukan agar tidak terjadi hal seperti ini lagi?
Upaya yang dapat saya lakukan, ya ini memang sangat-sangat mengerikan ya, apalagi saya tuh tinggal di Punama ini udah lama ya, dan saya tuh tinggal berdua hanya sama putra saya. Walaupun ada pagar ternyata tidak apa juga ya, tidak aman juga karena motif pencuriannya itu sudah menunggu ternyata dari CCTV yang kami tengok dari tetangga tersebut sudah menunggu ternyata truk di simpang sana. Jadi kalau saya lambat tadi itu berarti tinggal tinggal apa itu ya? Tinggal angkut aja itu motor saya masuk ke dalam truk yang udah nunggu sana. Tapi alhamdulillah gerak kami cepat. Apa tadi pertanyaannya? Langkah-langkah yang harus saya lakukan adalah berarti saya harus lebih memperketat lagi keamanan rumah saya. Berarti jangan pernah ada lagi agar tidak dikunci, nggak boleh teledor lagi. Yang kedua, saya berupaya untuk pasang CCTV baru langkah awal sebelah sini. Tapi harus ada besok ke sana lagi. Titik dua kayak titik kanan. Kemudian yang ketiga, ya meningkatkan keamanan. Jadi kalau tidur malam juga lebih waspada. Kalau pergi ke sekolah pun benar-benar dilihatlah rumahnya udah terkunci rapat atau bagaimana.
Terima kasih Bu Nadra sudah menjawab pertanyaan saya. Jadi segitulah wawancara kita kepada Bu Nadra sebagai korban yang hampir dicuri sepeda motornya oleh pencuri. Terima kasih Bu Nadra.
Reporting from Jalan Punak, the location of attempted motorbike theft. Nadra said that the fence had been opened a little bit because they had been careless as they usually never locate the fence. They expanded that on that day they had been in a hurry to go to a birthday party. While they had been getting ready and about to leave, they found that they could not put the key in the motorbike. She said that specifically she mentioned that it had been on October 5, 2024 at 2:30 a.m. She said the first witness had been her son, who had seen someone entering our yard. She mentioned that if it had been a neighbor, they would have greeted you first. However, we had not been suspicious at that moment. She asked what he was doing, and he responded that he was looking for a house. She then told him that it was not the house he was looking for immediately. After the person attempting to steal left, as their attempt had been unsuccessful. She said that the incident had happened at her house. She said that at the time she had placed her motorcycle in the yard. However, she usually did not park it there, but she had done so because she was planning to leave. She said that she realized that she needed to improve the security of her house by ensuring the gate was always locked. She also mentioned that she was working on installing CCTV and being more line.
Baik, di sini saya ada Azra Putri bersama Fahri selaku saksi pertama kejadian tersebut. Bagaimana kronologi kejadian percobaan pencurian sepeda motor?
Baik, pada awalnya pada siang hari pada pukul 2:30 saya berada di kamar sedang istirahat. Terus tiba-tiba ada orang yang memanggil di luar. Setelah dia memanggil keluar, dia membuka pagar dari jendela. Dia mengetuk jendela rumah saya. Terus bilangnya ada orang di dalam. Lantas begitu saya langsung memanggil ibu saya untuk melihat bahwa orang tersebut siapa gitu loh. Habis itu orang tersebut nanya, ini rumahnya bapak ini? Terus kami bilang kan, enggak, ada apa? Terus tiba-tiba dia pergi gitu aja. Nah, setelah dari kejadian itu kami kan mau keluar nih jalan sore. Setelah jalan sore mau keluar ke jalan sore, kami lihat di motor kami. Tiba-tiba di motor kami itu pas mau masuk kunci motor itu udah nggak bisa lagi.
Baik, terima kasih penjelasannya Ai. Semoga kita lebih waspada atas lingkungan sekitar kita. Terima kasih ya Ai.
We said that at 2:30, he was in the room resting when suddenly someone called from outside and opened the window. The person knocked on the window and said that there was some inside. He immediately called his mother to check who the person was, then asked the person if it was father's house.
The person replied that it was nothing and then left. After that incident, when they went out for a walk in the afternoon, they saw two persons near their motorbike. Suddenly, when they tried to start the motorbike, the key no longer worked, which led them to conclude that the person was the one who had tried to break into their motorbike. Baik, di sini saya bersama tetangga pemilik motor percobaan pencurian. Apa benar Ibu kejadian percobaan pencurian motor?
Ya, kebetulan waktu saat kejadian memang saya di rumah ngecek pintu, terus dibilangnya ini ada apa, ada maling katanya. Terus saya pergi ke rumah Ibu Nadra, rupanya Hondanya tuh udah dibobol.
Apa tanggapan Ibu sebagai tetangga pemilik motor?
Tanggapan saya untuk kedepannya lebih hati-hati. Memang sebenarnya di sini belum pernah sih kejadian kayak gitu, tapi tetap waspada.
Baik, sekian dari penjelasan kronologi dari tetangga. Semoga kedepannya kita lebih hati-hati. Terima kasih. The future was to be more careful. She added that something like that had never happened there, but advised to remain vigilant. She said that coincidentally, at the time of the incident, she was at home when someone knocked on the door and told her that there was a thief on the doorstep. She then went to Mrs. Nadra's house and found that her motorbike had been broken into.
This indeed rampant in the city of Dumai, Riau province. At the moment, the information we got was that the theft was carried out by a non-resident who came from the city of Dumai. The perpetrator, who tried to enter the fence of the victim's house, failed to carry out deception after the owner realized the presence of a stranger in the area of her house. Thanks to the home's vigilance, the theft was thwarted before any damage occurred.
In the midst of the current difficult economic condition, thieves have various reasons for carrying out their action. However, we cannot deny that we must continue to be alert to social events around us. From the incident that happened in Dumai, we have to be careful when we are at home or even outside the house. Incident is of even like that are carried out by professionals so that they can disguise themselves as someone who is where someone is when they have been caught. This incident is a reminder for all of us to be more vigilant protecting our private vehicles. Make sure your motorbike is parked in safe place and use an additional lock to avoid similar crimes. Thank you for listening to this news. I am Ulfah Nabila and I am with my friend.
I am Muhammad Arif.
See you in the next news. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce our group. We are from group 1. I am Ulfah Nabila as presenter.
I'm Gena Nabila as editor. I'm Siti Kadara as reporter.
I'm Dea Azra Putri as reporter.
I'm Aditya Pratama as cameraman. I am Muhammad Arif as presenter.